give a huge round of applause, my dear friends. It's a privilege and honor to also welcome our guest of honors, Shri Mohan H. Gudino, Honorable Minister for Transport, Goa, and Shri J.L. Carlos Almeida, Honorable MLA Vasco and Chairman KTCL, with a huge round of applause. And a warm welcome to our dignitaries and to the media gathered here. We'd like to move ahead with felicitating our guest of honors and dignitaries with a bouquet of flowers. I call upon Mr. Abhay Sharma, CBO Paytm, to do the honors. Can we all give him a huge round of applause? Our guest of honor, Shri Mohan H. Gudino, Honorable Minister for Transport, Goa, felicitated by Mr. Abhay Sharma. Can we all make some noise and give a huge round of applause? Thank you so much, sir. And now I would love to welcome on stage Shri J.L. Carlos Almeida, Honorable MLA Vasco and Chairman KTCL, with a huge round of applause. Can we all give a huge round of applause? Thank you so much, gentlemen, and thank you so much, Mr. Sharma. Huge round of applause, my dear friends. Thank you so much. I now call upon Mr. Sajal Bhatnagar, CBO Paytm, to felicitate I call upon stage Shri Terry Pereira Neto, Managing Director KTCL, to join us. Felicitated by Mr. Sajal Bhatnagar. Huge round of applause, my dear friends. I now welcome Shri Sanjay L. Kate, General Manager KTCL, to join us on the stage. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatnagar. I now call upon stage Mr. Gaurav Varshne, VP of Paytm, with a thunderous applause. And now it's an honor to welcome the Board of Directors. Let me invite on stage Mr. Shivdas Shirodkar with a huge round of applause. Well, dear friends, we need to give a huge round of applause to all our dignitaries present on the stage. Mr. Shivdas Shirodkar. I now call upon stage Mr. Apurva Dalvi with a huge round of applause. Can we hear a huge round of applause, my dear friends? Thank you so much, Mr. Varshne. I now invite on stage Mr. Ritesh Rathod, APV of Paytm. I welcome on stage Mrs. Ujjwala Naik with a huge round of applause. Huge round of applause, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Mr. Rathod. As they say, my dear friends, to start with any joyous occasion, we have the blessings of God. And on that note, we're going to do the lighting of the lamp to invoke the blessings of God. Can we ask each and everyone to please rise? Well, dear friends, can we all give a huge round of applause? Seeking the blessings of God. Huge round of applause. Can we all give a huge round of applause, my dear friends? Invoking the blessings of God for the launch of One Goa, One Card. Well, dear friends, your thunderous applause should not fade. They need to keep roaring high. Our guest of honors, along with the dignitaries on the stage, my dear friends, they deserve a huge round of applause. Their presence means a lot today. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. You may take your seats now. I now invite on stage Shri Derek Pereira Neto, MD KTCL, to give us the welcome speech with a huge round of applause.
A very warm good afternoon to you all. On behalf of KTCL and PTEM, I would like to invite you all for this very auspicious function. Honorable CM, due to some valid reason, could not come here, but he has sent his good wishes. We take his blessings. We have a dynamic Minister for Transport, who is a pioneer and strength of KTCL. I welcome you, sir, with warm hearts. Our beloved chairman, 2 times sitting MLA and 2 times chairman of KTCL. With your support, sir, Kadamba has seen the heights what it is today. I wish you good luck, and also, sir, I welcome you with all my warmth. Abhay ji and Sajal ji, a very warm welcome to you, sir. Board directors, Vishwanath Dalvi, Shirodkar sir, Ujjwala ma'am, and my colleague Gate, and all the dignitaries present on dais, in the audience, my fellow officers and press members. Wherever there is development, innovation, you will find KTCL. Not in the corner but on the front. It is with this attitude that all states from this country, they come here for launch. And every launch has been a success. And today this is going to be a success. It is nothing but just making things easier. We used to print paper tickets, tender them, and it was a tedious job. And now we have ATMs, we have ATM machines, we have app-based ticket bookings, and today we have Paytm. Everybody likes easiness. Today when we were coming from Siddharth, Goa, some press members were complaining that there was a lot of discomfort, checking here, checking there. Now this should not be there. An ATM Paytm is nothing but making things easier. I wish them all success and all cooperation from our side. I once again welcome you and I'm sorry for the delay. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the warm welcome. And now I welcome on stage Shri J. Carlos Almeida, Honorable MLA Vasco and Chairman KTCL to address the gathering. Can we all hear a huge round of applause, my dear friends?
Our chief guest for the day, our Minister, Mr. Gudinova, my MD, our GM, our board directors, and friends. See, we are at a stage, what MD said was right, what the elders were coming on Siddharth. He said we have to work as a team. And today we're working as a team, our Minister, the CM, the MD, myself, the GM, and KTC. See, there's a big change that is happening today. I would like to extend my thanks to Paytm for this venture. This will make things easy for everybody, not only for us. See, for us it will be easy, but it will be for the people. And they all will do good. They will do good after today. One card, one Goa, one nation. That is what the Prime Minister said. And this is a good step of ours in the direction. One thing I would like to thank my minister today, especially one way, special way. He did not kept any of our files pending. Any file goes to him immediately clear. Even this file, I think he asked the file to clear. So I would like to thank you, sir, for all the cooperation in KTC. One more thing, last, I would like to thank all the team. I am not getting names. Today I know one name. Ajay, I think. Abhay Sharma, and the other team also. I don't mind, please don't mind, I'm not saying anybody's name. I would like to thank you all for that we are a team today, and we take Goa forward and get it forward. I would like to thank everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind words. I now welcome on stage Mr. Abhay Sharma, Chief Business Officer Paytm, to please address the gathering. Can we all hear a huge round of applause?
Heartiest welcome to the Honorable Transport Minister of Goa, Chairman Sir, MD Sir, dignitaries, PR team, and all the guests present for this launch function. On behalf of Paytm, I welcome and congratulate each one of us for a very successful rollout of this ambitious project, which will benefit millions of daily commuters. Paytm is proud to be associated with this project right from the idea inception. We have tirelessly worked hand in hand with the authorities and the officers to provide best-in-class Paytm World Transit, which is one Goa, which is here, to the citizens of Goa. This is yet another milestone of our partnership with the state of Goa. We have earlier worked with the state of Goa for QR ticketing solution in KTCL, Goa Municipal Boards, Water Board, FASTag, and we do millions of transactions each month. State of Goa has been at the forefront of providing best-in-class citizen services. Paytm is India's largest digital payment company, and through this partnership, we will continue to work on innovative solutions for citizens of Goa. So once again, thank you and welcome all.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sharma. I welcome on stage Mr. Sajal Bhatnagar, Chief Business Officer Paytm, to say a few words on the product and the growth. Can we all hear a huge round of applause? Mr. Sajal Bhatnagar.
Respected Mohan H. Godinho, Honorable Transport Minister, Goa State. Shri J. Carlos Almeida, Honorable MLA and Chairman KTCL. Respected Board of Directors, Shri Derek Pereira Neto, MD KTCL, Shri Sanjay L. Ghate, GM KTCL, and to the entire KTCL staff. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to partner with you on One Goa, One Card. Goa essentially is a multicultural city. It's a city which is steeped in tradition, with just the right flavors of modernity. Essentially, it's a perfect microcosm of India. Hence, even more importantly, it is the perfect state to start a new age payment system which will essentially impact every single person of this country, every single citizen of this country. Transport is a use case which is very unique. Essentially, it touches every single citizen of the state, every single citizen of the city and the country, across demographics, across income profile. Derek sir said that KTCL has always been at the forefront of change, and it is once again that we are seeing this happening all over again. And honestly speaking, it is highly visionary that KTCL is taking this opportunity to bring about this change. A state like Goa needs a unique payment system which is just as flexible and modern. Hence, we are bringing in One Goa One Card, which is a partnership between Paytm Wallet Transit Card and KTCL. This is a card which is accepted at all payment use cases, be that buses, online shopping, at retail stores, fuel, parking, and pretty much everywhere where a card is accepted, One Goa One Card will be accepted. More than that, it will be accepted across the country as well. It will be accepted at Goa for city buses, it will be accepted at various metro stations. You can basically travel to Delhi airport line and make a payment over there as well. The card can be purchased at various sales points across the city. It can be purchased online, or it can also be purchased from KTCL staff. The recharge is also as simple, which can be done online or through various offline methods and points as well. Essentially, we'll be creating a network of shops and retail outlets where this recharge can happen. Lastly, I would like to bring to forefront the KTCL staff, the conductors, who will be a critical piece in making this program a success. Hence, on this launch event, I would like to announce a scheme for them where for every transaction accepted on KTCL One Goa One Card, they will get ₹1 for every single transaction without any charge. Beyond that, any card sold by KTCL staff will get ₹50 incentive per card sale. The idea of bringing this incentive is just to bring that initial push, initial wave of belief, so that the staff, KTCL staff, Paytm staff, and citizens of Goa all can promote this new digital cashless payment method. I would like to thank Government of Goa, KTCL, and more importantly, people of Goa for giving us this opportunity to partner with you and bring about this unique payment proposition. Together, we promise that we'll work hard, make a product which Goans will be proud of, and set up benchmarks which people across the country will want to follow. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Bhatnagar. And on that note, my dear friends, we are going to take a look at the AV for a video.
The Paytm Wallet Transit Card, a smart card for everyday payments, your all-in-one digital solution on the go. The Paytm Wallet Transit Card, launched in collaboration with KTCL, allows you to pay for your daily spends easily without any hassles. Simply recharge this card on your Paytm app and start using it for bus rides, parking, fuel payments, in-store purchases, food, and online shopping. With this card, you can avoid unending queues, make contactless payments, avoid traveling with multiple cards and cash in your wallet, save time, and simplify your daily commute. Start using your transit card instantly. Purchase card at any KTCL bus stand. Scan QR to instantly activate your card. Your card is ready to use. Simple, secure, easy, and quick way to travel hassle-free. Pay your way through the day with the Paytm Wallet Transit Card. Paytm
Oh yes, my dear friends, One Goa One Card. That was a short video on how One Goa One Card will work. And now, I call upon stage Mr. Ankit Chaudhary, DGM Paytm, to give a thanking presence of all. So can we all give him a huge round of applause?
Honorable Transport Minister Sir, Chairman Sir, MD Sir, all the board of members KTCL and all the guests who are present here. On behalf of PTM family, I would like to thank you, and at the same time I would really like to invite Transport Minister Sir for unveiling of the product, and please share some few words with us. Along with Transport Minister Sir, I will also request Chairman Sir, MD Sir, and KTCL team, Sajal, Gaurav, and Abhay Sir to be on the stage for unveiling of the product.
झूम घेतोयस
All right,
Can
well,
I hear a
friends,
round of applause, please?
it's a huge moment. Can we hear a loud cheer?
Team has worked tirelessly. I will just request for 1 2 photographs with the different teams and just a few seconds. I will invite PTM and KTCL and NPCI team to please come on the stage.
घेतलंय
ए फोटोग्राफर फाटल्यान सकयल पॅन्ट जा ए फोटोग्राफर पॅन्ट जा सकयल
फोटोग्राफर बाजू फोटोग्राफर सकट
I will invite Transport Minister Sir to please come and address the media. Thank you.
Well, dear friends, can we hear a huge round of applause?
My colleague and chairman of KTC, Honorable MLA from Vasco, Mr. Carlos Almeida, the managing director of KTC, Mr. Derek Neto, Sanjay Gate, our general manager, Mr. Abhay Sharma, Mr. Sajal Bhatnagar from PTM, my esteemed directors, Mr. Shirodkar, Mr. Ujwala, also Mr. Dalvi. Ladies and gentlemen, in fact it's a very important step that Goa is taking in terms of digitization. Paytm launching, I think, is a most important step that KTCL has taken, partnering with Paytm, and they have always strived to serve our state to the best of their ability. We saw troubled times during the pandemic, just as rest of the world and rest of the country, reaching out to people even at those times where the KTC buses, the KTC staff, whom I always feel indebted, they rose to the occasion, whether transporting doctors, nurses, material, reaching out to people, and in tune with the thinking and the visionary steps that our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has taken for our country, digitizing, trying to get the digital footprint in as many spheres as possible. to take the country to match with the advanced and developed world. We know how much high he has taken our nation. Today, the respect of all of us, you and me, as an Indian, we can proudly put our head high with the reforms that have been introduced. And one such reform is the digital footprint. Therefore, it is my pleasure to congratulate all of you, and particularly the KTC as well as Paytm, that at the right time, right moment, as Goa also believes in increasing our digital footprint, even in governance, in various fields, we have been moving forward. And the day will not be far that we will be much, we would have already adapted to the changing environment that the rest of the world has already experienced some time ago. You must realize one thing, Goa as well as our country has tremendous potential. And if we want to keep abreast with the rest of the world, there has to be out of the box thinking. There have to be reforms. There have to be traction with the people, with the forces that can help to build up society, that can help to build up transportation, that can make our transport services more efficient. That, as you were showing in your short film, simple things like once you have the card, you don't stand in the queue. You don't have to waste your time. It saves a lot of effort. So this step, I feel, is going to be path-breaking, and I'm sure more and more Goans will adopt, those travelling by buses, and particularly Kadamba will make use of this service, buy the Paytm card, and rightly so you all have offered initiative. And I think I will take this opportunity of once again congratulating all of you for this lovely initiative. And it is one more step in Goa's march towards prosperity, in Goa's march towards being one of the number one states among the smaller states, in keeping up with the reform, in introducing changes which are good for society and the Goan people. I am afraid I have to leave, so I will cut my speech as well, because I have to go to receive Mr. JP Nadda at the airport. And I'm sorry I came late because I was head up with so many. I apologize to you that you had to wait so long. But nevertheless, this is one important thing which I said I have to come. So I am here to offer all my cooperation, to offer all my help as the government. And I think our chairman, Carlos Almeida, has been doing a wonderful job as chairman. Always in the forefront of bringing changes, of increasing the efficiency of Kadamba, and he has got a good MD as well as a good GM, who have really taken Kadamba as a public enterprise to really new heights. And I wish them all the best, and wish all of you in advance, though it is too early, a Merry Christmas and as well as a very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you so much, sir. And for our token of love, I would love to have you back on stage. Let me call on Mr. Abhay Sharma, CBO Paytm, to give you a token of appreciation. Can we all give a huge